Utetha kana kuambwa kwa gavana wa MERU KAWIRA MWANGAZA nende kuri njarene cia mbunge ya Senate. Bone nyuma ya muthenya oro mbunge ya Senate nende kwandikira gavana una mbunge ya county baba manyethie kiatho kio kia ntuku ya Jumaine na Jumatano KIUMIA twetite. Bone kuwa ndene ya KIUMIA kimwe gavana KAWIRA akethare kumenya mwerekera yo wawe yo tongeria KIUMIA kithiru mbunge ya county ni yaringire kura na kuinga gavana KAWIRA na yele ndene ya mieri 10. Mwandiki wetu Ateto Phineas Imana na utaria ruendo ruro kweberia gavana KAWIRA itine.
Ndene ya ndeguro ya mathaya na aria 60 na ya nana kuma thai owe na uni tukethera tuikumenya kithira gavana KAWIRA MWANGAZA choka MERU ya gavana kana ya raia endu tureke kuthunguthankila na kabuti tuchoke nyuma nini. Tuko ya Jumatano kwi tariki 25 mweri wa 10 mwakene wa 2023 mbunge ya kaunti ya MERU nethire kiringa kura ekwebelia tine gavana KAWIRA MWANGAZA.
The governor stands impeached by the county as the honorable members, and the governor stands impeached by the county assembly of MERU. Thank you.
Nyuma yabo ngwenge yarinende kumenyethia speaker wa mbunge ya Senate ontobora speaker ayubundi wa mbunge ya kaunti ya MERU ethire akingakia Antoni ayo mbunge ya Senate yarina ngui ya mbere ere kwamura kithire gambare rekathikirwa ni kamiti ya Senate antobatale kana ni mbunge ere yonthe. Senators Bazimio batongeretwe ni senator wa county ya Narok Ledamo Lekina boneka bakiende kithekya kwithira nene kwina kamite iyo tengwa kana kubwithwa kienda kuthikira untubu.
Whenever we sit, we have the same powers as the High Court. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to persuade this House, both sides of the divide, to consider giving these 11 distinguished senators an opportunity to go through the evidence.
That we all said that for us to do a neat job, we will need to go the committee way and not the plenary way. So, Mr. Speaker, I just want to support the mover, Senator Olekina, that I plead with you members, let us go the committee way.
Abo bakinya kwanza na murungamo yo likibethira bakire na Bruno Ntubu bendekithia yambarire dire kithikira wa ne Senate ere yonthe.
The move and the second of this motion has severally mentioned MERU County, that they know what is best for MERU County. If there is anyone who knows what is best for MERU County, is none other than Kadhuri Morongi. I wish they had consulted me, because they are advocating MERU issues in a very different manner.
I want to plead with our colleagues, even if you're pursuing a particular interest, don't be unfair on the House. Don't cast aspersions to the House and believe that for whatever reason, members will suddenly not reason, that the only way you can concentrate is if you're reduced from being 67 to only 11 of you. I don't think that is fair to the House.
I believe we have moved, or rather we had 2 impeachments since inception of this particular House. And I think in the last 2 impeachment, we have gone committee way. So it's important also for the members who are new to really understand how the process of plenary goes.
This being a female governor, we want plenary because we want an opportunity to be able to have a feel as women senators, to be able to understand, is it leadership issues, is it other issues in this county.
Na kenda wite gamba na yota speaker wa Senate Amason Kingi edira nende akiura kiuria na chindi bara edira bagichi ndaira.
Standing Order 81B, the Senate resolves to establish a special committee comprising the following senators to investigate the proposed removal from office of the governor of MERU County, and pursuant to Standing Order 82 to report to the Senate within 10 days of its appointment on whether or not it finds the particulars of the allegations against the governor to have been substantiated. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The nays have it.
ntuko ya NJUMAINE KIUMIA tuitite mbunge ya Seneti kethira ikaranthiguru na kwaririo ntubu amwe na kutega maite ya ngabana KAWIRA ethirite akithitanga nayo runene iri ntuku ya Jumatano abunge bambunge yeguru bakathikira witetera kwa ngabana KAWIRA MWANGAZA ndeni ambunge endumu diene babongo ibo bakethira bakiringa kura ekwania kana kulikithia ngabana KAWIRA kuitana mbere utungata ya ngabana wa kaunti ya MERU kenda kwana kurendeka tu namba inene ya seneta kwendekithia ntobu na kendo tethia KAWIRA oringire endeka tu namba inene ya senators ba kwendekithia ntobu yayo ndea karika nekonekete atungeria mwanya bakigeria kuthetera ngabana KAWIRA endi na batungeria ba MERU muno abonge bethira bakibemenderakia na kubaoria buru kwebela siasa cha MERU.
MERU has come of age. Tafadhali wachana na Wameru. Hii ni mara ya pili. Kasi yako na mdomo yako ambaye haina break. Piga siasa yako. Kiambu, watu wa Kiambu walikupa kula 20,000.
Eti ya kwamba sisi hatukupembeleza watu. Na hatupembelezi punda mteremko. Huu ni wakati wa Meru kusimama, bendera yake simame. Tunaongea mambo Mount Kenya East, Embu, Meru na Tharaka Nithi. Na wewe ongea mambo yako Kiambu.
Ya Meru ni kati ya MCS na senators na gavana. Wewe ni nani?
Ugebwa ngabana KAWIRA haringwa no ntoni mwekuru ni ntubonge bwethirite boyoka kiamio kia gisiasa arakinye kuru atungeria bethirite bakiwa boni urongo
menya KAWIRA MWANGAZA no mbete kwithira batu etumire maisha turi atongoria bekuru no ntuba kwithira utongeria bwaki ibukara akabukona muntu muka yake na thina na tukimenya thina te kuru thina ni KAWIRA MWANGAZA.
Not victimizing KAWIRA, it is only that she has not proved herself. And we feel frustrated as Meru community because we trust in her as a woman and we trust in her as a leader, but she has not been able to assume the status of a county CEO. What we have witnessed in Meru is drama, endless drama.
Batu twile au ito supportero ni arume. Kinyatha hii batu ito egite i president, i deputy president. CS wetu senator ibautu support. So batero na nyotho naka no tethi nereo between ekoro na akuru. Ato kwaririo tongeria bwambi wa Meru.
Ende mutegeri uroria boku kuringia koku kana kinya kuromba koku kukaumira mpumi chiakwa ntuko ya Jumatano. Phineas Imana Gaaru E Ciaca kirendeto cha Weru.